In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Roposo to your Odoo website. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. The first step you need to take is to navigate to your Odoo dashboard. Simply open your web browser and type in the URL for your Odoo site. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar dashboard interface. Next, head to your user profile icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and you should see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Preferences. This is where you're going to manage some account settings that are crucial for the integration. After you've opened your preferences, locate the Account Security tab. This is essential because we need to generate an API key that allows Roposo to communicate with your Odoo site. Once you're in the Account Security tab, look for the option that lets you create a new API key. You might be prompted to enter your Odoo password here for security reasons, so go ahead and do that. Now that's done, click on New API Key. It's time to give your key a name. Something like Roposo Integration will work just fine. After entering a description, remember to click Save. So easy, right? Once you save it, make sure to copy the generated API key. Store it securely because you will need this key for syncing data between Roposo and Odoo instead of your regular password. It's a very important step, so don't overlook it. Now moving on to step 2, you'll need to configure the Odoo app connector. The next thing you should do is search for a bridge application that works for integrating Roposo with Odoo in the Odoo App Store. Look for something like a Roposo Odoo connector module. It's essential to choose a reliable module since this will act as the bridge to sync your data. Depending on your Odoo subscription, these connectors may typically be available, so check what options you have at your disposal. If you find a suitable module, go ahead and install it into your Odoo instance. After installation, it's time to move to the newly added module's configuration settings. This is where the magic happens. Find the module in your Odoo dashboard and navigate to its configuration section. Now, you'll need to enter some critical information. Specifically, input your Roposo developer or store credentials alongside the Odoo API key you generated earlier. This information is necessary for establishing a connection between Roposo and Odoo. Once all that's entered correctly, you're almost done. Double-check everything to ensure that the credentials and API key are accurate. This will save you from facing issues later on during data synchronization. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Roposo to your Odoo website. Remember, the process may seem lengthy, but taking it one step at a time makes it manageable. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.